Children, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, we are going to speak about food. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Computer, my screen is visible
Yes,
now?
miss. Yes,
Okay,
miss.
then
Visible.
children,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
be alert. Screen is visible, so I'm starting the topic. Okay, so about food we are going to learn in this lesson. Now, why do we need food, children? Tell
Live, ma'am.
to live we need food.
Grow.
Okay, now
Grow and
we need
ma'am.
food. Why? And see,
Ma'am,
I have
screen
given you
is
two
not
questions.
coming,
Just
ma'am.
look at the PPT. Just look at the PPT. I have given you two questions. Do you need food? Why?
Ma'am,
And the
PPT
second
is not
question,
visible, ma'am.
you are just a system. Computer staff says it's clear. You are just a system. In what ways do you think food helps you? Clear. These two. Yes.
Grow.
You need food to live.
Not
It's a
visible.
very good answer. Okay. Now,
Live and grow.
live and grow. In what way it helps you
Live and
to
grow,
grow?
ma'am. Oh, ma'am.
Now stop, children. So I have given you to
Live and
play, to
grow, ma'am.
learn. Stop. When I'm speaking, you should not stop. You should not talk. Okay. To play and to learn and to do all the household activities, we need food. So what do we get from this food? We get energy. We get energy. So basically, what you're getting? Energy. Okay. And from the food, we are getting nutrients also. So first we are getting energy, and from the food we are getting nutrients also. Is that clear? Only if you have energy, you will be able to play and learn. And only if you get the sufficient nutrients, you will be able to grow properly. All this is very important. Now, what are these nutrients? See, the first question I have given for you. What are nutrients? And the second question, from where do we get these nutrients? And third question, why is it needed? And the fourth question, what are the different types of nutrients? So your whole lesson in this section, I'm going to deal with these four questions only. So first you will know about what are nutrients. Then you will know about where we are getting these nutrients. Then we will know why it is needed. Then what are the different types of nutrients? All we are going to see. As we said already, from the food you are getting energy and the nutrients. Energy helps you to do all the household activities properly. You are playing, learning, and to do all your household activities. As well as you are getting the nutrients, which will help you to fight against the diseases. Which will help you to fight against the diseases. Now these nutrients are classified into four varieties. Okay. The very first point is the carbohydrates. See the first one, carbohydrates and fats. And the second one I have given as proteins. Third one is vitamins and minerals. And the fourth one is roughage. Fourth one is roughage. So what are the types of nutrients? Carbohydrates and fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and roughage. Now, when you take carbohydrates and fats, they are known as energy-giving nutrients. Why? They give you more amount of energy to play, to learn, and to do all your household activities. Clear? When you take rice, no, we take rice more and a small amount of vegetables, isn't it? Why? Because we need more amount of energy. These energy we get from the rice are the wheat carbohydrates. Okay, so they are energy giving nutrients. And apart from it, what you need, you have to grow. You have to grow. You have to build your body. Am I right? So for that you need proteins. For that you need proteins. Next, you need vitamins and minerals also, which will help you to fight against the diseases. Those are known as protective food. Those are known as protective food. And the final classification, somebody you haven't muted your call, I think. Please mute it. I'm getting sound continuously. Computer must check now who is that. Continuously I'm getting. Please mute your audio. and then roughage, and then roughage. Okay. So carbohydrates and fats, types of nutrients, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and roughage. About all these things only we are going to discuss. Clear, children? Carbohydrate spelling you see, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Fats, it's very easy for you. Proteins, proteins. Proteins. Okay. Vitamins.
Ma'am, you send WhatsApp, ma'am.
What, ma? I will send in the
Send the
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, ma'am.
Everything will be coming in the WhatsApp for you. Now you listen. Clear? Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins. Vitamins, minerals, minerals. And roughage, roughage. Roughage. When you learn, children, you slash the word. Two words you slash and then you learn. Okay. Now these are the types of nutrients. And then the next one, in depth of it, we are going to see carbohydrates. We are going to see about carbohydrates. So I have given you some pictures. All these are rich in carbohydrates. That means they give you energy immediately. Morning, as soon as you eat your idli, dosa, or chapati or puri, you get your energy immediately, isn't it? So because they are rich in energy. So they are known as carbohydrates. And afternoon also, when we feel hungry, we eat rice. And North Indians, they eat chapati made of wheat. So whatever it is, they give more amount of energy. So they are known as carbohydrates. Even maize also comes under that category. Is it clear? And these carbohydrates are known as energy giving nutrients. Supposing if I ask a question, name the energy giving nutrient, means carbohydrates, you should be able to say. Along with that, fats also. There is a differentiation between carbohydrates and fats. Both are energy giving nutrients. Both are energy giving nutrients, but carbohydrates gives you the quick energy. As soon as you eat, you get that energy. And what is the quality of the fat is? Fat is a stored energy. Fat will get stored in your body. Okay. And when you don't eat sufficient food, this fat will be utilized by your body. This fat will be utilized by your body. So fats are also energy giving food, but the difference is carbohydrates, as soon as you eat, it gives you the quick energy, but fats will get stored up in your body. This is the differentiation between the carbohydrates and the fats. Is it clear? As I told you, all these brown rice, lentils, oatmeal, raisins, all these are rich in carbohydrates. Is that clear? And then the next one, we are going to see about proteins. You need to build your body, I said, isn't it? Proteins are known as bodybuilders. As I said, proteins are known as bodybuilders. Your milk. Milk is very essential food. It's a complete food, we can say. Your chicken, all your nut varieties, okay, and egg, all the gram varieties. All these are pulses, no? All these are rich in proteins. Every day you have to take enough amount of carbohydrate and proteins to get sufficient amount of energy and the nutrients for your body to grow properly. So I have given you the names here: milk, cheese, egg, fish, meat, pulses. All these are rich in proteins. And when you are learning about proteins, concentrate in the spelling. Is that clear? The spelling is proteins. Is that clear to you, children? And most of you, how you will write? No, you will change it as IE and write. That is wrong. It is TEINS, proteins. Is it clear to you? PROTEINS, proteins. And as when we speak about proteins, immediately what should come to your mind? It is a body building nutrient. When we speak about carbohydrate, immediately what should come to your mind? It is the energy giving nutrient. And along with the fat also, it's an energy giving nutrient. Carbohydrates gives you the quick energy. Fats gives you the slow energy. That is when your body stored energy. Fats gives you the stored energy. When you don't consume your food properly, the body will balance it, okay, from the stored energy. Now next is your fats, energy giving nutrient. Now you can see now foods high in fat, fatty meals, fatty meats and fish, meat and fish, your cheese, butter, oil, almonds, chocolate, all these are rich in fats. So when this fat is getting utilized, when your body does not get enough food, it uses stored fat to get energy. It uses stored fat to get energy. Is it clear? Now, can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are so quiet, no? Suddenly I had it. Thank you so much for listening so quietly. You said ma'am now? Maybe to question? Yes.
Ma'am, presentation is not seen, ma'am.
Computer miss?
No, miss. Visible.
Visible.
Visible, miss.
Okay, miss. Thank you. Thank you. Adjust your system, my girl. Next, I'm going to speak about vitamins and minerals. Okay. Now, when you look at the picture, you can see all the fruits, no? Many type of fruits, nuts, including the vegetables. Everywhere the vitamins and minerals are present. So when you think about vitamins and minerals, immediately this point should strike you. It is a protective food. Vitamins and minerals are the protective food. Okay, so they protect you from different types of diseases. Vitamins and minerals are very, very essential for your body. Okay, for example, I have given you two things here. First point, you see they are protective food. Second point, you see calcium for healthy bones, and calcium is one mineral and iron is another mineral. Iron is needed to make blood. So this is about calcium, iron, two minerals I have told you. Okay. Now, the next we are going to speak about roughage. Okay, I have given you the picture of the fiber-rich food. Okay, these are the fiber-rich food. So why we have to eat the fiber-rich food? Because all the waste that is stored in your body should be sent out. Then only you are hale and healthy, isn't it? For that, we need the fiber food, which will send all the waste out of your body. You can see all the fruits and vegetables only here. Apple with skin. With the skin, you have to eat the apple. And pear also with the skin. Banana, you won't be able to eat with the skin, but in the skin of the banana, that fiber will be there, children. When you peel the skin of the banana, that fiber will be there. That fiber also you should consume. Okay, that is very, very good for your body. Nowadays, health is very important than anything. You know the present situation, isn't it? So give importance for your food. Eat only healthy food. Is it clear? Then orange. Orange also is rich in vitamin C, plus it's a fiber rich with strawberries. Dried figs so easily we won't get here. Raisins. All these fruits we get very easily here. Banana, apple, orange, dried figs and raisins. So dried figs we won't get so easily. Raisins we get so easily. So eat the food that are rich in fiber also to keep your system clean. And you have to drink plenty of water also. Is that clear? Now roughage spelling you concentrate. ROUGHAGE. Roughage. Okay. Concentrate very carefully when you learn the spellings like this. Is it clear to you, children? So learning is very important because for the past 1 year you all are at home, and this year also it may continue because the situation is not that very good. So utilize the opportunities given by the school, and you have the gadgets with you. We are giving you the good teaching here. So what you have to do, follow the instruction. When you learn the spellings for any subject, by 2 you learn. 2 letters you slash and then you learn. I think you know the slashing method. ROUGHAGE. Roughage. Clear, children? Can you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm continuing. Yes, children. Thank you so much. Now I'm continuing. One final go through, then I will show you the book for you now. So we learned about, just listen to me very carefully, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals, fats and roughage. Am I right? Carbohydrates and fats are known as energy giving nutrients. Proteins are known as body building nutrients. And then vitamins and minerals are known as protective food. Now, I'll just wait. I will show you the textbook for you now. Just wait, children.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the presentation is not.
Wait. Is it seen now? The book is seen now for you?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Computer miss is the
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
wait, my master computer miss.
Yes, miss.
Miss, is the book is visible, miss?
Yes, miss.
Visible. I can proceed now because I went to the another thing and opened it.
For
That's
me,
what-
no, miss.
Thank you.
Correct.
Thank you. Children, this is the lesson. Just look at it. Just look at it. I'm going to read the lesson for you, and towards end, I have an interesting activity for you. Is it clear? When you listen to it only, you will be able to do the task. Very quickly, I will read. Fix your eyes onto the screen. Don't move here and there. I'm starting my reading now. What are nutrients? You need energy to study. Listening is very important. Then only you will be able to read. Only if you are able to read, you will be able to memorize the questions and answer. Can you understand what I'm saying? Now fix your eyes on the screen.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
starting. What are nutrients? You need energy to study and play. Food gives you energy. Food also helps you to grow. It helps you to fight diseases and stay healthy. Your body needs mute your audio. Concentrate. Your body needs different substances for doing different things. These substances are called nutrients. Some nutrients give you energy, some help you to grow, and some help you to fight diseases. Different foods have different nutrients. Therefore, to remain fit and healthy, you should eat different foods. Types of nutrients. The food that you contain five nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Food also contains roughage and water. Let us now see how these nutrients and other substances help you. Carbohydrates for quick energy. Carbohydrates give your body quick energy. They are therefore called energy giving nutrients. Children needs children needs lot of carbohydrates. Sugar and starch are types of carbohydrates. Cereals such as rice, wheat, and maize are rich in carbohydrates. So are foods made from cereals such as bread, noodles, chapati, and dosa. Just concentrate on these things. Okay, bread, noodles, chapati, and dosa. Sugary foods, potatoes, bananas are also rich in carbohydrates. Then proteins to grow. Proteins are nutrients that help you to grow. They also help to repair damaged parts of your body. That is why they are called bodybuilding nutrients. Children needs a lot of proteins. Can you say why? For you to grow, right? Then milk, cheese, fish, meat, and pulses are rich in proteins. Now to the next page. Fats for energy and warmth. Fats are also energy giving nutrients. They are stored in your body for future use. When your body does not get enough food, it uses stored fat to get energy. Fats also help to keep your body warm. Oil, butter, cheese, nuts are rich in are rich in fats. Vitamins and minerals for good health. Vitamins and minerals help your body to work properly, fight diseases, and stay healthy. They are therefore called protective foods. Your body needs several vitamins and minerals. Fresh fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, milk, eggs, and bread are rich in vitamins and minerals. Calcium is an important mineral. You need it to have healthy bones and teeth. Milk and green leafy vegetables are rich in calcium. Iron is needed to make blood. Meat, beans, and green leafy vegetables are rich in iron. Next is roughage. Your body cannot digest certain substances found in plant food. These indigestible substances form roughage or fiber. Roughage is important as it helps your body to send out waste. So I have taken till page number 4. Clear, children? So when I post the PPT to you, you read till page number 4. That will do for you. Okay, read one twice or thrice, and then you can start to answer the questions, whatever is coming for you. Now, in this previous page, you see page number 3. I have some questions. Sugar and starch are dash. Can you tell me, children?
Ma'am, carbon dioxide.
Carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates, ma'am.
Carbohydrates. Okay. Next,
Carbohydrates.
Lakshita is present in the class. Lakshita, are you present in the class? Lakshita is present. Okay, Lakshita. Next question you are going to answer. Dash are rich in carbohydrates. Eggs or bananas? Dash are rich in carbohydrates, Lakshita? Eggs or bananas? Hmm?
Sai.
Okay, same. What is your name?
Alexandria, ma'am.
Alexandria. Say Alexandria. Good.
Rice, wheat.
No, ma. See, look at the fill-up, ma. Complete the sentences. Second question. Dash are rich in carbohydrates. Two options are given. Eggs, bananas. Which is the right option?
Rice, ma'am. Rice,
Children,
Miss, I am carbohydrates, ma'am. Egg, ma'am.
banana.
Bananas.
The answer is banana. Yes, good. Banana. Now,
Banana.
okay, third question I'm reading. Meat. Now, who is going to answer?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Hi,
I
ma'am.
choose the very first time. Wait, Prashita is present.
Egg, ma'am.
Prasita, you are going to answer now. Prasita is going to answer. You are present, no girl? Prasita,
Ma'am, I read, ma'am.
what is your name?
No.
Hmm? Okay, you say the answer. Meat is rich in dashma proteins or carbohydrates?
Ma'am, I am telling, ma'am. Protein, ma'am. Protein.
Proteins. Very good. The answer is proteins. So now you know the answers, isn't it? Now let us try one activity. Just wait. I have an activity in this itself. Let me see whether it is coming clearly. Okay, children? If not, I have to quit. So let me try. Okay, now we are going to drag and drop the picture of the food into the correct box. Okay, now the first is orange. First is orange. To which group I have to take this one, children? Quickly tell me. Everybody can answer.
Vegetable and fruit. Vegetable and fruit.
Well done. Okay.
Fruits, ma'am.
Okay. Once you say means you just keep quiet. Okay. Now next. Ice cream.
Milk.
Hello. Okay. Next. Spinach.
Vegetable.
Well done. Okay. Next.
Cereal group. Cereal group, ma'am.
Good.
Cereal.
Next. C. Apple. Hey, apple is a cereal. Huh? Who's that? It's a vegetable. Well done. Next. Yes, good. Roti. Roti means chapati. Because chapati is made from wheat. Okay. Chapati is made from wheat. Egg. Good. Next. Tomato. It's not vegetable. Children, tomato is a fruit. And the right pronunciation is, listen to me, Tomato, tomato. Okay, don't say tomato, no, tomato. Okay? Tomato. Well done. Okay. Good. Next, noodles. Where will I take? Noodle is the cereal. Okay. Okay. Chickpea.
Serial group, ma'am.
Cereal group. I will take cereal group. We'll see what's happening. Oh no. It's a wrong answer. What will be the right answer? Pulses. It comes to pulses. So it's a protein group. Okay.
Protein group, ma'am.
Yes. Next. Sorry.
Protein group. Protein group, ma'am. Protein group, ma'am.
No.
Protein, ma'am. Protein.
Protein. Well done. It's a protein group. Yeah. Next. Nut. Where will I go? Cereal group. Is it a cereal group? Let me drop first and see. Oh, no. It's a wrong answer. Nut. Will change proteins. Okay. Was it interesting, children? Okay. Now your duty is when I post the lesson, you will read those 2 pages. Okay. Take time and take time. Mostly don't sit with your PDF. One page. Take time and read it. Is that clear? Okay. Who is that talking along with me? When you hear the teacher's voice, immediately you should close your mouth. Is that clear? No. Thank you so much, children. You can leave the session and concentrate in your